are not aligning for Xbox in Brazil because sources say they're giving the gaming company a very hard time. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Brazilian regulator Anatel have accidentally leaked images of the Xbox Elite Controller 3 that were then circulated by local tech site Tecnoblog and in turn picked up by The Verge. According to the specs making the rounds, this controller boasts some notable new features. There are 2 scroll wheels at the bottom that can be controlled by your thumbs. A new pairing button on the front appears to switch the device between local and cloud modes. The D-pad also has been redesigned, and the gamepad seems at long last to be switching over to removable and rechargeable battery. If this story sounds familiar, it is. Tecnoblog also published leak images of a different Xbox peripheral earlier that showed off a pint-sized gamepad that was presumed to be an unreleased Xbox cloud gaming controller. It's been a while since Xbox released a refresh to the Elite controller. The second generation of the hardware debuted back in 2019, and it became customizable in the design lab in 2022. And since at least one national regulator is currently looking at the device, it seems likely that the product is close to hitting store shelves. Xbox's Big Summer Showcase is just a few weeks away. But after this leak fest, Microsoft might be inclined to make the official announcement sooner than later. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.